Let's try to wax you.
What is going on? Coming out to Project Midnight right here. Don't mind all the crap everywhere, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's literally like a coat of pollen on my paint. So I'm using the gimbal today, so bear with me. I got the gimbal on my phone, so I'm just practicing with this. I'm gonna explain pretty much what's going on with the car real quick. Wanted to show you guys the gimbal that I'm using right now, and this is like a cheaper one, guys. Like, I got this on eBay, and you literally just push the on button, place your object here, and it moves wherever you twist your wrist, and the whole thing moves. And then you have this stick right here, up and down. We'll rotate the arm for literally like lower shots, or like if you want to get something up high. Midnight's looking real dirty right now. You guys can see we got the pollen. Look at that, all pollen right there. Gotta love the birds for the dookie right there. Thanks a lot. Got some new Bride seatbelt shoulder brace things just to complement my JDM 3M tape and my Bride shift boot. Popping the hood. As you guys can see, InGen short ram intake is gone, guys. I know I went through 2 short ram intakes already, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm not going back to a short ram anymore. You guys can see I got some heat dissipation tape right here. Special gold stuff, looks pretty good. So I kind of like customized a little bit to pretty much, since this is almost like facing the header in the back, I wanted to kind of like keep temps down, even though the stock air box does pretty good. And as you guys can see right here, I got some tape that I want to fix today. So I'm going to take this whole intake hose off so I can wrap the whole top hose in pretty much gold, just for like aesthetics and for like prevention from heat hitting the silicone hose directly. So hopefully everything works. You guys check out a few videos back. I'll put the link up top here somewhere. You saw that my car had a check engine light, and I pretty much pinpointed it down on what it was. All I did, I replaced the Denso MAF sensor right here. I got a brand new OEM one on there, and it fixed the problem, honestly. So it was a quick fix, guys. Car runs pretty good right now, and as of right now the car is pretty much stock, aside from the throttle body spacer right there, and I'm just running the Skunk 2 alpha header. But as far as that, there's no tune. I don't have Honda installed right now, and honestly, a lot of you guys are gonna hate probably because I went back to stock exhaust, stock intake. But for right now, guys, it's fun to me still. Like, it doesn't change the fun factor on the car. So I had to get things ready, get things prepped. I have a few things that I have planned. I got a trip coming up soon again, so I pretty much need this thing to be reliable because I was having issues with my D17. So if you guys are wondering why I went back to stock, it's pretty much I need a decent, reliable setup. So a lot of you guys pretty much told me, like, why not get a cold air intake, ditch the short ram for a cold air. And honestly, for right now, the stock is super fun, guys. There's power throughout the whole power band. It's designed pretty much to fit the car from the factory. There's a reason why Honda even designed that anyway. So for right now, the stock intake is going to be staying, but I'm not going to lie to you guys, really have a soft spot in my heart for either the hybrid racing cold air intake or the Skunk 2 cold air. And the only reason why I'd go with the Skunk 2 over the hybrid is because the Skunk 2 would probably complement my header setup pretty well, and the only reason why I like the hybrid is because it has the bypass valve. So I'm not saying I would hydrolock the motor, but just for safety purposes, guys, like, anything is better than nothing, you know? I might modify the stock a little bit. I know I can get like an HPS or a Mishimoto silicone intake tube, and I know I can get a higher flowing filter versus the stock. But as of right now, the stock intake's gonna do good, guys. You know, I'm not saying that I'm not gonna go with the cold air down the road. You know, as I grow and as I start getting more funds in the future, I'm going to be bringing this car to the track. You know, I got to see my quarter-mile time, probably do some racing, as well as either autocross or, you know, like time lapse and stuff. So I feel like I'll be getting a cold air intake in the future to help complement the setup as well as like track use. So anyways, guys, it's time to do some wrenching. I'm gonna take the stock intake box off first so I can access that bottom hose. So here's the tape I was telling you guys about. I think I got this on eBay for like, I don't know, like maybe 10 or 15 bucks. And let me tell you, this color, like I'm actually, like I mess with the gold, especially when it's in the engine bay, as well as hopefully serve a purpose. So I did do some data logging with my Honda with the stock airbox and stuff. And I'm really gonna see if this stuff actually helps keep the temperature down. So it's kind of like another trial and error. All right, so all we're doing today, super easy, just having a fun vlog. Removing the intake tube right here, and then I'm just disconnecting this and then removing the top piece for my airbox. So shouldn't be too hard, just because I have to access the bottom of this hose right there. Having some fun. I've been super stressed out lately too, guys, like honestly, with content and stuff. I mean, just a lot of stuff going on right now, so I'm just trying to have a fun time, do stuff like cheap. You know, I'm not going to do any intakes for a while, so just trying to get back that fun feel, you know. Freak. Way too much sauce. But what do you guys think? Corny or what?
Looks ratchet. Look at that.
Gerb's custom fittings. Ratchet.
Gerb fabrication.
Gerb fabrication at its finest. Something fun. I got bored the other day. I should have filmed doing it, but literally I just laid like 3 or 4 strips going straight down, and then I kind of customized the ones on the side. So I think it looks pretty cool, and hopefully will serve a purpose. I don't know, I got a data log. But anyways, the main focus, guys, gonna be this whole hose right here. So I'm probably gonna run it. Dude, these allergies are freaking killing me right now, guys. Killing me. Do I look like crap? Do I have like black eyes?
Yes.
Let's see how dirty this thing is. I'm probably gonna end up chucking this thing for a AFE power. Yeah, so I freaking screwed this layer up, guys, the other day because I thought it was smart to try to put it on without taking the whole intake off. And I got like a patch where there was like, it wasn't sitting flush, not even sticking right. So we're gonna redo the nice gold, the bling today. Are you recording?
Yeah.
What is going on?
Ready for your wax?
What's going on?
3, 2.
Oh! Did it actually pull hair off?
I think so, yeah.
Dude!
There's a little on the corner there.
Shout out to Javier for the K-Tune ground wire right here. Putting this baby to good use.
Can you disconnect that hose?
Yeah, but then I'd have to drain the coolant out. It's kind of a pain in the balls. Here. And then what we'll do is we're gonna just cut it. Final product right here. A little bit of wrinkles on the top, but honestly, hopefully that helps with the silicone hose touching the intake tube. So I was debating on whether or not, I don't want to get too overboard here, but I think like 2 strips on the top of the manifold and maybe right on the front side of the manifold would be pretty beneficial, because the radiator is literally right there and it provides a lot of heat to where the manifold is. So I might do that, I might not, we'll see. Oh my God, decisions on whether I should make the manifold a little gold. I don't know, I think it would be kind of corny.
Make a vote.
She's calling me a ricer. All right, we're gonna leave it a vote. So drop your comments. I'm gonna be pretty much going off what you guys say. Drop your comments down below if you think I should do some heat wrap on the top part of the mani as well as the front side of the manifold. So I get 10 comments that's saying I should do it. I'm probably gonna do it. 20 comments. 50.
Yeah, because I don't want you to do it.
All right, 50 comments saying gold manifold and I'll do it. All right, we'll leave it as that. I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it.
No.
I'm agreeing with myself.
I'm not.
Gold tape.